Okay. Oh, I have a flu, chat. I have a flu, ne? So please, Masinas, but I have to do this, yeah, boy. I have to do this. I've been saying some answer type shit. Yeah, boy, I've been saying I'm gonna do it. I mean, I'm gonna wait for this and then come to open it. Then I do it. I think not open it if you get him chat. Okay. Since we are checking out B8se order. B8se Lone order. You know what I'm saying? His album dropped. It's called Xesha. Ne? So masive ke ba uthini B8se. Thanda intana zakhe okanye usithande nje ushona. First song at 4:30. How many songs is 10? Damn. Yeah. Boss sizawuhlala masa. Boy. It was 4:30. It was 4:30. It was 4:30. It was 4:30. Up in my room, anything smoke. Belly in the blind, when you darkness come. Mama, why you calling on her? She's cold. Nothing in a tone. You want me start like Tazi for sure. Made a few dollars, that's what I ain't for sure. I see some haters now, they don't like me for sure. So I run out, they don't know my pain. Sang it's no go. I saw I got some deals and they ready for me. Can't even need my living and cheating on though. Hold on. Wait. They don't know my pain. Zangest no call. That's actually a good line. That's actually a solid line. I don't wanna lie. Caught me off guard. That's actually a solid line. They don't know my pain. Zangest no call. I saw I got some deals and they ready for me. Can't even need my living and cheating on though. If we hustler then I as in the agnina. If we put my partner ungabuya ndayimita. If uphakathi uzobona ngayemita. If I was spun was a trend sunina. So I got some kids looking up to me in the hood. Had to grow up as a collar ayolak. Had to change my ways. I know that you relate. Wait. Down the Bible, then I saw a verse. But until it. Wait, what do you mean was a trend sunina? Oh, that's crazy. Yo, chill, bro. What the fuck? Yo, that's crazy. If I open this trend sunyoko, that's fucking crazy. Cause yo, nah, that's mad crazy. I want like, bro, that's tattoos, way. I don't even stress. They are making nigga. When I'm in the club, I just put myself legal. When you call my phone when I'm busy, it's illegal. Why you call my phone when I'm busy, it's illegal? I got Shawty calling. I got Shawty doing all the things I say. I got Shawty whining. Shawty on the block, she gon' trip like a ray. Put me on the time. I don't even care if you call your friends. Fine. Shawty wine. Pull up on the club, I just put myself legal. Give me that time. It's illegal. Puff my food. Put me on the time. It was 4:30. Yeah. Put me on the time. It was 4:30. It was 4:30. Up in my room, anything small. Belly in the blind, when you darkness. Mama, why you calling on her? She's cold. Nothing in a tone. You want me start like Tazi for sure. Made a few dollars, which I ain't for sure. I see some haters now, they don't like me for sure. So they don't know my pain. Sang it's no go. Mama, why you calling on her? She's cold. Nothing in a tone. You want me start like Tazi for sure. Made a few dollars, which I ain't for sure. I see some haters now, they don't like me for sure. So I wanna. It was 4:30. It is 4:30. I like that. What is this name? Okay, let's talk about 4:30 first.
Fast was 4, catchy. There's a good lines it gets you thinking, man. Like I think he meant by why we like he was in his brains, I don't know, like but I describe and I've never listened to him in Doland. Boy. What do you call that type of sound? Whoa. I know it, Chad. I know it. Trust, I know it. I don't know it. I know it. Even on Afrobeat, Sanavi Afrobeat is course. They're probably even on Atlanta. Yo, Chad, I say I'm sick as fuck, bro. I can see it in my eyes, bro. Let me try this. Yo, they're cooler, bro. Oh, when says I'm post the chat. 4:30 is a solid song. It's catchy. I like it. You get what I'm saying? I'm post our chat. Man, supposed to chat, man. Ziyandiga ke ezweni. That's why ziyandiga ezweni. Okay, let's continue chat. Post. Type shit. 4:30. Okay. Masiko kundize. This is like I heard this somewhere.
We going in the deep end. Shawty fine. I could never leave her. My desire. She told me she gon' ride, but I know that she gon' die. She calling me alright, but I'm smoking all the guns. I know that don't easy. I've been on the road. Met a lot of souls on my ride. They can never match you, my love. They can never match you, my love.
Okay,
They can never match you. Tell them I say this on the song. Think I know what's up.
Hi, bo.
Tell them I'm pussy when you come. People are rapping about stuff. When it comes to you, the time.
Yeah, get Asha. Yeah, my boo. Stop at the making and non condole rights. Yeah, get Asha. What?
I know that I'm a player, they won't daddy. Candy bona win and Bonnie Bali. Oh, Bonnie Bali, my love. King of Down, King of Down, King of Snake, Sun, King of Down, King of Down, we going in the deep end, shawty fine. I could never leave her, my desire. She told me she gon' ride, but I know that she gon' die. She calling me alright, but I'm smoking all the guys. I know that don't easy.
I'ma find out.
I know that don't easy.
I'ma find out.
I know that don't easy.
I'ma find out. I'm a fan. You feel like I'm on pig. andazino utine nani kibe nani kibe taludise cela zangankike cela zangasize ningayikike hanibike natinjanibike abasibehibe. I'm a fan. That's so smooth, man. B8se in the chat and tap. That's so smooth. Shout out to Ndiza. Shout out to Ndiza one time. Shout out to Ndiza one time. Let's get to perfect. I'm not perfect. Shout out to Mr. Block. Shout out to Ndiza. B8se.
I like my shot on the Birkin. I'm so sorry that I hurt you. You need love, no heartbreaks. The chain. Every time I leave, I bounce back. Every time you leave, you bounce back. Not gonna lie, I'm jealous. Not gonna lie, I'm not perfect. I like my shot on the Birkin. I'm so sorry that I hurt you. You need love, no heartbreaks. I swear love, don't break the chain. Every time you leave, you bounce back. Every time I leave, I bounce back. Red on the streets, I'm popping. I don't believe you're still here. I told you I'll get it, I'll hold you down. All these new shows, I'm on my guys. I heard you were DJ. Can't play my songs and you put them on replay. Why you never pick up my phone on a free day? Told you I'll get it in few days. I want the money, you know that I'm ruthless. Why you let me go? Told you I'll get it in few days. Why you let me go? I wanna let me go. I let me go.
Chat, man. Do you guys remember 2018? 2018, one of the best albums I've ever heard dropped. And the name of the album was called East Atlanta Love Letters by Black. This song right here, it sounds like something I could put in that album. You know what I'm saying? Or it's something I would find in an album. I don't know, but because among those lines.
Why you let me go? Shawty, you know I'm sure. Not gonna lie, I'm a perfect. I like my shot on the Birkin. I'm so sorry that I hurt you. You need love, no heartbreaks. Say when you love, don't break the chain. Every time I leave, I bounce back. Every time you leave, you bounce back. Not gonna lie, I'm jealous. Girl, you know I demand for you. Yeah, you know I do grace for you. Yeah, you know I fit die for you. Girl, I won't tell you all my dirty secrets. I know I say you gon' keep on faith. My baby know you jump. Girl, I'm not perfect. Never say I'm not holy. I know be Jesus Christ. I promise to love. I promise to keep you forever. My baby, I want them.
Nyamaza uklay bafethu, nyamaza uklay. Hey, andibhidikanga. Hey, the album andiyazi ke ngoku which angle. What angle is being done here? Okay. Ndifuna understand the angle ke album. Imayibhale ntoni? Chat. Afrobeats. What? Kwenzeka ntoni namba B8se? B8se nolomi. Kwenzeka ntoni le album? What are we trying to do? What are we doing? I'm so confused right now. What are we doing? Okay, let's continue. Maybe it's if money pendulum.
Money, you know that I'm ruthless. Why you let me go? Told you I'll get it in few days. Why you let me go? I wanna let me go. Why you let me go? Why you let me go? Shawty, you know I'm sure. Not gonna lie, I'm a perfect. I like my shot on the Birkin. I'm so sorry that I hurt you. You need love, no heartbreaks. Say when you love, don't bounce back. Not gonna lie, I'm jealous. Not gonna lie, I'm not perfect. I like my shot on a Birkin. I'm so sorry that I hurt you. You need love, no heartbreaks. I swear love, don't break the chain. Every time you leave, you bounce back. Every time I leave, I bounce back.
Mike, hold on. What's doing scene? Oh, every time I leave, you bounce back. Like my shorty in a Birkin. I will, Lucy. Lucy chat. Must be Lucy chat. When did no more care? Tell me Lucy chat up. Mom. I'm not perfect. I got Lucy my chat. Lucy chat. I'm not perfect. Lucy chat. I'm telling you, John, why the sitting on Lucy? Feature Mr. Brock. Last time I checked, Mjido a block you. What? Won't block you. Mjido a block you. I get it. I think same time featuring one of the Prince Isis. Prince Isis is one of the members Make Boys. See?
Keep on hugging, that's what I need, and I miss your body. Stop singing bad, stop singing bad, stop singing bad. When this is stop singing bad, stop singing bad.
Oh, slime the bed. What?
Stop singing bad. Stop singing bad. Stop singing bad.
That's dope. That's a
yeah. And I miss your body. Got me smoking on anxiety. Every single day I get paid. I'm making sure the family is straight. You know you down, but you put your love. You can put out on my crib. Let me show you some. You got a body that I did. That shit is protein. But how the fuck you talk about it like you know me? I remember that shit and I just fuck a whole. Your body,
B8se, I heard you. I've been listening to you vent and I can hear your pain. It's not easy, the journey you're on, the pressure, the expectations, the challenges you're facing when nobody's watching. You carry a lot, and it's okay to feel it. It's okay to talk about it. It's okay not to have it all figured out yet. But listen to me. I don't need the broken version of you right now. I don't need the doubts. I don't need the overthinking. I need you present. I need you here. I need that energy that made them say your name differently. Turn me up. Hype me up. Show me that aura, B8se.
Why intombi ezekhayisha lethe lapha? Why uthi intombi ezekhayisha konke? Wa kwandlela ekhontrol ngayo pha uyava isilungu esi sisakwalanga jo. Wa. Okay, but it looks like they changed the context. I fuck with this, man. Now B8se is dope. Because I think from song 1 to 4 toned it down, love type of shit, and then Lina's interlude take me up bass and then gave me blessing, and then I think now we're gonna hear some raps now. You see what I'm saying? Like hype type shit. I like the first half. I like that. A bit of creativity. You know what I'm saying? A bit of creativity. Should I react tomorrow to the other side? Okay, this wasn't good. This is good chat. I like the idea.
I just shot the Mustang. God gave me blessings every time I shot a man. My mama was so shocked when I gave her 30 bands. I'll be on the low, promise I will never change. Feel like Mario every time I'm chasing racks. It's a good time when I land. Take my girl shopping every time when she is sad. Last day I was broke, promise I was never fresh. Told my mama that I love her, kissed her, then I left. School was a problem, so nobody understands, so I left. Still got the stupid hoes asking where I'm at. Your girl dissing my highlight, that bitch is getting paid. I saw my girl so fine, God is not a 10. So I bet, I saw my girl so fine, God is not a 10. So I bet, I just shot the Mustang. God gave me blessings every time I shot a man. My mama was so shocked when I gave her 30 bands. I'll be on the low, promise I will never change. Feel like Mario every time I'm chasing racks.
Feel like a Mario every time I'm chasing racks.
It's a good time when I land. Take my girl shopping every time when she is sad. Last day I was broke, promise I was never fresh. I was praying for the wins, now I'm grateful that I'm here. I know God got a plan, so I know never to fear. Mama told me keep on pushing, so you always find a way. And I'm grateful for the things you do, you always go out your way. Yeah, I stack it, yeah, I flip it, yeah, you know I never fold. Staying solid, 10 toes, yeah, we sliding with them bros.
Let's go.
Late night, yeah, we sliding in the coast.
Let's go.
Blood in, yeah, you know we do the most. I just shot the Mustang. God gave me blessings every time I shot a man. My mama was so shocked when I gave her 30 bands. I'll be on the low, promise I will never change. Feel like Mario every time I'm chasing racks. It's a good time when I land. Take my girl shopping every time when she is sad. Last day I was broke, promise I was never fresh.
Go. Gave me blessing is fire. Fuck with that. Yeah, but I'm featuring good legends. Yeah, but I'm featuring good legends. Let's go, good legends. Let's go, good legends. Utin. Yo, ndiyagula, braz. And it's been a fucking week.
PTA, paralyzed. Abesineni khona inani ungandatsha uzochapha. Anasimila kanasimilo zijubaxa sithi bene. Kemnazana bune-change ndithi imali sidibene sihlangene. Olova sihlangene. B8se space isiningi uphambene nzasongeza. Ngiyichopha ndiphinde ngisike yonke lonto ndiyazenzela. Ndangene ngesilimela awunolikelela ngenqele uyadlala apha sana. Socinga lapha sana ndiyabona benjikela pha baphuma kwezizana. Andizubiza namagama bayazazi abaswine. Andizubiza namagama siyasifana never wine.
What's wrong with the production on this song? I feel like the lyrics are hardcore. Like the lyrics on that song are like tough. Tabakaga, Emonti, PTA, and all that tough. But something is off, man, with the production. Like it's not kicking the same way them niggas. The aggression is there, but I don't know, man. Did you know? I don't know, man. I feel like the song is tough, yeah, well, but it's not, it doesn't sound tough, but the song is tough, but it does not sound tough. Yeah, it's my team. Bandage. Amaza, let's go.
Turn me up, G.
Bree, put me on this one. I'm meditating. Both hands got a blonde conversating. In the club they throw me 10, they conversate me. I be running so fast like a treadmill. And she never miss. Always throwing threes. Always on a walk, gain on my gremlin. They gave me 50 for my Sunday, I'm all in. Mama shocked cause I gave her all that money. I'm number one, yeah, I'm never on that top 10. Make my way. Like a do-rag. She said I coughed her, bitch, I got too loud. Denzimaza, baby, cause we're on the stage. Denzimas, 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 Denzimaza, Denzimas, Denzimas, Denzimaza, when I pull out Denzimas.
Yeah, I'm good, bro. What's up? What's up? Nah, I'm easy, man. Nah, bro. See you going through all that, man. Fucking with your shit, bro. Keep pushing, man. Yeah, man. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it.
Who's calling? Who's calling?
This is too much work, man. Yeah, bro.
Who's calling, bro? Who's calling? Denzimas. Denzimas, hi. Denzimas. Denzimas, hi. Denzimas. I fuck with this one. Hey, Mr. Producer. Okay. I see you, boy. Okay, shout out. Shout out. Shout out. I won't lie. That's fire. That's fire.
Sometimes I cry myself
No,
to sleep.
man, that guitar was fire. I won't lie. What the fuck?
Brand new watch, brand new key. Sometimes I'm tired to touch a beat. Bob and Shabba on my pee. My liaisons are illegal. Xesha, I'ma lose a fig. Xesha, I'ma lose a fig.
I like this too.
Powerhouse and Gaza King.
Yo, what the fuck?
Powerhouse and Gaza King. Why you been tired of me life? Sacrifice school on yard. They doubted the boy by a pop. Did a shop with no pay. Still remember them days. Hell, I was kicking my belly. And my eyes were looking so blurry. They gave me a test that I attended.
Not to go. Not to
In
go.
my hood, Machiavelli. Don't cool and pace.
Yes.
Very smooth and yeah.
Yes.
Figure moves as clear. Sometimes happy. Mali is a toiling. Xesha lama lose a thing. Xesha lama lose a thing. Powerhouse and that's a king. Powerhouse and that's a king.
Shout out. Now that's a song right there. Xesha is a beautiful song. I won't lie. Letter to my folks. Oh shit, this is gonna be good. This better be good. Letter to my folks better be good. Letter to my folks better be fire. Let's get it. Tino bass.
808 bang on the beat. This life is unfair, I'm a queen now. I'm so scared to lose my life. I'm so scared to die. Granny, pray for me, he's a healer. I told you all my dreams, what's in dunya. Watching these old legs, I'm on tandas. Watching dingo yiki, umdalunam. Talking these old teeny, I can never lose the arena. I got my little brother, Saluma.
Shout out Saluma!
Boy, you are the reason I don't give up. I'm so proud of you, you a leader. And when you hear this song, please don't cry. Youngin' double boo, you on the corner now. Town is a booty, smile sound. If I did you wrong, I apologize. Logun I sing Bali, sing Sisa man. Put your light out over your 9 time. Those are the people that builds me. Every time they make sure I eat healthy. Put them judging now, yeah, as a Sunday glass. If I won't get collab. Sisa man, did a lot, Jenna mom. Speaking of for mom, we see Bungu Zal. Tama Wayakon, saw this lamb at Wayakon. You made me who I am, and Charlie Pastaban. Every bending mark, Ubunganda Quisavan. What they realized, they could live on him down. Xesha and Ghost, Bonnie God. I know we fight sometimes, but the bonds getting tighter. Zangi one Dilwa, Zangi one Chacha.
Shout out Sean Cracker! Shout out Cracker, Sean Money!
They thought we fell off, I dropped out of school, dining eco right, working Billy Moja, last student card, Boka Basandazi, Abagoni, Nabe IT, Gogun Funi Cuban link, eBay pass down. I want me a Beamer for my first car. They ask why you paranoid, been deceived by. This is real stuff.
Is the pool related to Sean? Okay, shout out bass. That's actually nice. That's actually nice. 10 songs, not a lot. Just a solid 10 out of 10. I like what you did on song 5 when you switched. You were like, yo, turn it up a little bit and then you turn it up. I like that. That's actually creativity. Only thing I didn't like was the production on that song with Legend. I don't know. Not been sending any voice notes. I don't know what happened there. I have no idea. The production on that song is not as good as it's supposed to be. You know what I'm saying? I'm not perfect. I like that as well. Shout out Lushi. B8se, soothing. Definitely playing it. Definitely that one. The last song also fire. I fuck with that. Which song would I play in the car? Maza, definitely. Xesha definitely gave me a blessing. The only problem I have with this song, the one with Legend, I don't fuck with the production there. Something is a bit off. Chat, I am sick. I was only here to do this. So I'm a vibe. The more I'm here, the more I get sick. So shout out. See you next. Watch out. I'm coming. There's a cool man like the whole week. So I can do some slangane the whole. Means there's a guy and somebody hit my car with a stone. Bruh, it's crazy out here. But anyway, it's later.